Hey guys, in today's video, you can learn to run DeepSeek R1 locally using Ollama. I will walk you through the entire step by step from installation to running on AI Chatbox. DeepSeek is a powerful AI model designed for natural language understanding and generation. It has been trained on vast amounts of data to provide intelligent and context-aware responses. While DeepSeek is available online, the team has also released DeepSeek R1, a version that can be run locally on your own computer. This means we can have our own AI chatbot without relying on the cloud. For that, we should first install Ollama. You can type here ollama.com. Ollama is a platform that provides a way to easily run and interact with large language models locally on your machine. You can click on download and we have it available in different platforms. I will download for Windows. Make sure you have at least Windows 10. Then just click on this setup.exe. So we have the interface for Ollama installation. Just proceed to install. We need to wait a while until it's completely installed. So the setup is successful. You can also check in your command prompt. Just open your command prompt. We can run Ollama here. You can see we are resulted with all the commands for Ollama. So that means its installation is successful. Now we need to run DeepSeek here. For that we need to first get the command. We can proceed to models. And let's click on this DeepSeek R1. This list contains all the models for DeepSeek. Actually, these models require different levels of hardware depending on the model size. Ensure your system meets this specification for optimal performance. The lowest specification is required by this 1.5B and here the largest one is the 671B. I will go with this 7V. The common one that can be compatible in almost all devices is this 1.5B. You can use according to your machine specification. So let's run the command here. It's a heavy package, so it will take some time for configuring DeepSeek. Now you can see the success here as we are able to write any message and DeepSeek responds accordingly. I will start with a normal conversation. For example, if I say, "Hello, how are you?" DeepSeek responds naturally, stating that it is ready to assist with any matter. Then we can raise any of the question we want. So I'll ask it about AI. When processing my query, the response first appears inside Think. This means that before responding, the model reads the input and understands the context, works on prediction and probability to determine the best response, and finally after the thinking part, it delivers the best response, ensuring accuracy and relevance. In our think phase, the model evaluated the input, predicted the most suitable answer, and finally delivered a clear and well-structured definition of AI. Now this setup is limited to CMD. However, we need a Chatbox AI for a chat interface to provide a more user-friendly, interactive, and visually appealing experience. For that, on your browser, go to chatboxai.app. For Linux, Mac, you can click on more options here. I will proceed to download on Windows. Let's open this setup. Here we can proceed to next and then install. Just wait for the installation to be completed. Finally click on finish. It will launch by default. Now in this interface, you can see the option use my own API key or local model. Click on this and we need to choose Ollama API here. And here in the model, we can see the DeepSeek version present in our local system. So I will choose DeepSeek 1.5 here. Now you can see the chat interface with DeepSeek R1 being set. So now we can ask any queries and it will follow the DeepSeek model for the response. I can request it to generate simple website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So initially it will again follow think part for analysis and prediction. This box contains the think part. And after this, you can see it starting to display the code that I required for creating the website. It starts with HTML. These are the internal CSS inside the style tag. It's including all the section required for building website. It will also include the JavaScript inside the script tag as soon as it completes this HTML and CSS. We can just wait for it to complete. Finally, it's also including the script part, which is the JavaScript. Now it's successfully completed. You can easily copy this code and use it in your project. At the end, it has also explained its features and how you can run this website after you include this code. You can see after following a certain analysis and prediction, it efficiently delivered the required response by generating a website. Feel free to try it out yourself and explore how you can create anything you want. So that's all for the DeepSeek. In this video, we have successfully run DeepSeek R1 locally using Ollama, along with setting up DeepSeek in a chat box. Thank you guys for watching this video.